If you think the current trend of OEMs creating factory hot rods with outrageous engines is a new phenomenon, guess again. American automakers have been stuffing serious kit into factory engine bays for decades. In fact, it could even be argued that displacement and raw horsepower are the very things that put Motor City on the map. By 1969, the folks at Chevrolet had almost perfected their Corvette, resulting in a multifaceted performance onslaught that created no less than 5 optional big blocks. This fully restored 1969 Corvette rocks the brand's aggressive yet streetable L68 427, a legendary mill that combines tri-power performance with power brakes, power steering, 4 forward gears, and factory air conditioning. If you're looking for a cool classic that's fun to admire and a blast to cruise, it's just your style. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.